Welcome once again. Let's talk about Pi network. I hope you are getting ready for Pi launching. Yes, recently Pi have actually come out to announce that they are almost done. They are almost getting set to launch. They are almost getting ready. So, how many Pi do you have? That's a lot of questions I want to ask. How many Pi do you have? What will be the value of your Pi once this coins launch? Well, no one knows the price of Pi, but the truth is, based on coin market cap price, though this is not the real price, but also based on statistics and based on information, Pi network will definitely start with a very high price. Yes, a lot of people believe that we Pi start with about 10 cents, we Pi start with about 1 cent, or we Pi starting with about $1. The truth is, Pi network might be even start trading from $10, $5, or $100. But I believe that based on the popularity, based on the community, based on the number of users, based on the network, based on the foundation, Pi network is set to starting from $1. And for me, yes, imagine that you have about 2,000 coins of Pi network. If Pi starts from $1, it means you have about $2,000. But the most important thing right now to majority of the Pi holders is not the price. The most important thing right now for crypto industry is not the price Pi network is about to start. It's about Pi network launching. It's about Pi network getting started. It's about Pi network being listed as one of the crypto coins. A lot of holders want to see Pi network being listed. Of course, they want to make use of that Pi. They want to buy, they want to invest, they want to buy goods and services using Pi network. And I believe once Pi is launched, definitely a lot of Pi network users will definitely make use of this coin. This is why so many businesses have already engaged, taking some of their position on Pi industry, because they on Pi network, because they believe a lot of people, a lot of stores, a lot of businesses are already taking in their position in order to use Pi to make more sales and to generate more sales, because Pi remains one of the top crypto coins right now. So I believe that right now, one of the things that's holding Pi crypto industry is not really doing well. Maybe the founders of Pi network are waiting to see if crypto industry will fully bounce back, and then they will go ahead to release Pi. And releasing Pi in a period of in the healthy crypto environment means Pi network will really pump that period. But releasing Pi with a period when BTC is really facing a lot of challenges, BTC is going down, Ethereum is going down, Pi network will be affected. Maybe the plan they have for Pi to reach in a particular period of time might be affected by the current situation of the crypto industry. This is why maybe they're actually waiting for the right time in order to launch Pi. But for me, holders are really waiting. They really want to see Pi being launched once again. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please cannot do your own research before taking any decisions. Once again, thank you for stopping by.